Having a great folding table has been a go-to in our marriage. This time I pulled it out myself, set up snacks for kids in the backyard coming over, and we were off to the races. Love that I can carry it by myself at 22 pounds and that I can count on this thing to be reliable. Favorite things about it, it is UV resistant, water resistant, wipeable, sturdy up to 700 pounds, high density plastic on the top. The legs on the bottom are steel. They have that triangular construction, rubber coated feet, locking mechanism, super easy to use but effective. The metal ring slides over the pieces, locking them in place. This is the brace that holds it from being able to bend or straighten. In the locked position, it does not bend. Unlock it and it'll fold down to those 36 inches long. And here's another look at that locking mechanism from the side. I love having this handle. I can carry this with one hand, and that's been super helpful for me. And here's a look at the table from the end. Seats 8 or more. It's very versatile. Set up super simple. Unfold it from its locked position, lay it flat, unfold the legs, and slide the locked position into place. When you're done, it's the opposite. You're going to turn it on its side, slide the rings to its stored position, push the legs into the holding clasp. Once they're in those little areas, they stay nice and tight. Now unlock this yellow button that allows it to fold. And again, there are 2 braces that lock the 2 sides together, the one handle, and you're good. Overall, really pleased with this one. It's so easy to set up and take down. It does the job well. If you're looking for a 6-foot folding table that folds in half for storage, this one is a no-brainer.